So today I thought I'd start the video off a little different. Lately I've just been like super uninspired with the sit down, pull out a wig, talk about it whole thing. So I thought to bring you guys with me in the making slash reviewing of a wig that I'm gonna put on my head by the end of this video. Yeah, so right now I'm about to leave the house so I can go get some hair dye for the wig. And yes, it's obviously the blonde wig that you guys did see in the, what is that called? What's that thing called? The thumbnail. It's the blonde wig y'all see in the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all the specs on it and stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, the glare. Let me get it. If you want to skip to that part, I am going to put the number right here. But if you want to come with me to the store, then we're going to Target. And this eyelash. Okay, back into action. Anyways, let's go to the store. And it was overall $28.29, and I'm about to go get a slush, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it is once I get home. Cool. Oh my god,
this right here, y'all.
One a day will keep the depression away. You feel me?
Side effects may include but are not limited to sore throat, blindness, drowsiness, denial, bad breath, heartburn, bankruptcy, back pain, gout, AIDS, teeth loss, cotton mouth, athlete's foot, spontaneous combustion, blood pressure changes, still having depression, and no changes in your current condition whatsoever. Please consult your doctor before starting treatment and take hold of your life today.
So we're filming.
Oh, hell no!
So we're filming in like a different kind of angle of my room. That's because y'all don't really need to know, it's not that important. But I'm back from the store and I got 3 different colors of box dye. So it was this first one. This one is the dark ash blonde. The next one is this one. And this one is the golden blonde. And the last one is the ultra light blonde. Okay, so I got 2 boxes of each color. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them, but they were like $2.69 each. So there's that. And then I also went ahead and got the John Frieda's Violet Conditioner because they didn't have any of the Shimmering Lights shampoo and conditioner. So I already have some shampoo left over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this conditioner for it when I you know, do the thing with the wig. What is this called? Tinting? The recolorization stabilization. Yeah, when I do the recolorization stabilization technique, I'll be using these 2 products right here. Glad we have a great understanding of each other. So here sis is. What's up? Say what's up, girl. Say what's up. Say what's up. She did come off of Amazon. This is her straight out of the bag. As you guys can see, she is full back here. Sis is full. She's looking really full. One thing off rip I can tell y'all, she does not have like a lot of parting space on the sides. I'm gonna show y'all here. Not a lot of parting space on the sides really. Just like you part, and then right here there's track. That's track. Right there is track. So I want to say like an inch of parting space on the side. She does have a very full line, so there will be plucking going on. There's just going to be all kinds of restabilization. There's all kinds of restabilization in this wig, but we're gonna make it happen. Another thing is, I don't know if y'all can see when she's up close and personal, but this lace right here has like a pink tint to it. Definitely gonna have to throw some makeup on there and kind of color correct to see how I'm gonna get it to match my scalp. But let's get into the nitty gritty, y'all, and let's dye some hair, okay? Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you in natural lighting what the wig is looking like. Ignore my messy makeup in the background, but this is what she's looking like. I didn't really give y'all specs of the wig. It came in about 2 or 3 days. I will list the price on the video because I don't know exactly. The construction of the wig is like your regular construction. Kind of looks like this with the 3 combs on the inside. Did notice there is not a comb in the back, there's just that tag. So just so y'all wanted to know, the combs are black. You do have what it looks like parting space at the top, but like I mentioned on those sides, it is very like short. So that's basically the specs of the wig. I am about to apply it, and then I will come right back and show y'all after I apply it and pluck it what it's looking like. how the wig ended up turning out. My head, it looks like more of a ash blonde in the roots that kind of like fades to a platinum blonde on the ends. I don't know, like I'm really on the fence about it. I like it, but blonde is a lot for me. I can definitely tell I'm gonna be doing some styling to this wig. If you guys want to see how I will be styling, make sure you go follow me on all my platforms at outlabeled on everything, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Go ahead and add me and check me out on there so you can keep up with me and how I will be wearing this hair / accessories that I'll be adding to it, and overall how I'll be styling it. It's just because an initial video / review is always like, okay, let me put this wig on so I can show y'all, yada yada yada, etc etc, and get it over and done with. But like throughout the week, I'm like plucking here, laying some edges here, relaying the waist, etc etc, just doing so many things. So you guys should definitely go check me out on all my social media platforms. Now there is like this hump kind of thing, and I guess that's just the way I decided to part it. I might mess around and change it to a middle part if this like part back here just irritates me enough. So far I love the wig. There was barely any shedding when I dyed it. There's barely any shedding now. The lace though, the lace, let's talk about the lace before we get out of here. The lace was probably the most complicated thing. I cut so close to my hairline. I did mess it up. Would say I used glue, Ghost Bond. I just used Ghost Bond glue from the beauty supply store because when I used the spray, it turned white. So I just had to like clean it up before I came back on here and showed y'all, so y'all weren't like, why does she come on here with that wig like jacked up like that? Like, no. Forewarning, in no way whatsoever am I a professional at dyeing hair. I've never gone to beauty school. I've never done that. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and I dived head first into doing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love y'all so much, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I hope to see you as watchers in my next video. Bye.